Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In this video I will be sharing with you forex trading strategy for beginners. Okay, how you can move from zero to hero trading boom and crash. Okay, that is what we will be checking out in this video. This strategy is not only meant for boom and crash, it is meant for all other indices, and of course it is also meant for normal forex market, which include the currency pairs. Okay, this is very important. So if you understand this strategy, then you will be able to milk the market successfully for a very long time. And of course I will be going straight into it right away. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the business, within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you understand every strategy shared in my videos. Do your own personal practice on your demo account before you can try it out on your real account. This is very important. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out how we can start forex trading. We'll be checking out this simple forex trading strategy for beginners, and of course we can grow from zero to hero. Okay, I believe you guys already know how to set up your account, before you can register. Before you can start trading, you need to create your own broker account. And of course, if you are trying to create an account in order for you to trade boom and crash, you will need either derivative or binary account. It is both are the same company. All you just need to do is just to register on one, and you will be able to use any of the details to log in on any of the two platforms. Okay, if you are looking for the link to the registration page directly, it's going to be in the description box below this video. And of course, right from there you can quickly set up your MT5 account right from there. And of course, you can also you can also set up your demo account right from there, so that you can have access to the trading platform like this. Okay, a trading platform like this. And of course you can use that opportunity to to start practicing whatever strategy I will be sharing with you in this video. In case you don't know how to set up your account, there are videos on YouTube that will show you how to set up your account easily. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, okay, we are looking at forex trading strategy that can help us to understand how we can start trading that, and with this we also help us to fast track our learning process so that we can move from zero to hero trading boom and crash. Okay, so quickly I'm going to come down to the Jamboard and use this to explain a few things to us. Okay, and of course your trend, like I always tell you, your trend is always very important. Okay, once you are able to identify your trend, you will be able to identify your trend. Can come in different ways. It can come as a breakout, and it can come as a result to the resistance and support region. Okay, so for instance, if the trend is on downtrend, then you should know that you are selling at that point. But when it is on uptrend, then you should know that you are buying at that point. Okay, and if you should notice, when it was on downtrend, the market came from the resistance zone. Okay, it came from the resistance zone. But when it was on uptrend, the market came from the support zone. So you need to understand all this. Once you understand all this, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. Okay, this is very important. So once the market is approaching a parallel line like this, a line like this. Okay, it could be a support or resistance zone, but let's use a resistance zone first. Okay, when the market is approaching a resistance zone like this, there are two things that can either actually happen. It is either it breaks out above it, okay, or it goes back below it. Okay, if it's unable to break out, then definitely it will sell. Okay, but if it breaks out, then definitely it will keep on buying. Okay, but if this is serving as a support, okay, then definitely the same thing can happen. Okay, if the market is trying to approach the support, it is either it breaks out below it so that it will keep on selling, or it bounce back upward so that it will keep on buying. Okay, so that it can buy right from there. So any of these two are what we are most likely to see whenever such situation is about to happen. Okay, so that is why you need to have this at the back of your mind. Once you have it at the back of your mind, whichever one that happens, it will help you to jump into the market and make some good money for yourself. If it breaks out, remember, at every breakout it sells more or buy more. Okay, depending on the movement of the market. Okay, but if there is no breakout, either the support is standing as a stumbling block and sending it back, or that means it's going to buy more at that point, or probably the resistance is standing as a stumbling block and sending it back, that means it's going to sell more also at that particular point. So all these are very, very important. Now let's go straight to the charts. If you understand all this, so like I said, your trend is very important. Support and resistance zone will let you know your entry point and your exit point. Okay, we are not focusing on lot size at the moment, so I'm going to move down here so that we get to see this. Okay, this is 24-hour time frame. For most of the time, I love doing the analysis right from the higher time frame like this, because it helps you to have a clearer view of the market, and of course you will be able to go down and see what is happening on the lower time frame. But in case this is this daily time frame is too much for you to analyze with, you can go down to H4 or probably H1. So let's go down to H4 first. Okay, at least that will give us to take us closer to what the current market is giving to us. Okay, so quickly I'm going to explain some things to you right here. You can see right here is a resistance zone. Okay, if you should check out the past history, you will have seen that. You're going to notice that it got there, the market got there around here, and it respected it, so that is why it is respecting it around here. Okay, so that is one thing about trend. In trend, you always find it in the history. Once it has happened before, then definitely you will be able to take advantage of it. There was a resistance zone around here in the past, and that is why we are still having it right here. Okay, that is why we are still having it right here. So if you are able to identify all that, then definitely you will be able to milk the market successfully for yourself right from there. Okay, but if you should notice the market range around there for a while, you should know that there is most likely for us to have a breakout either below or what was it called, or above the resistance zone. Okay, either below the support zone or above the resistance zone. So all you just need to do is just to highlight this and wait for the breakout to happen. Okay, now let me bring it closer a bit so that we get to see it very well. Okay, this is what happened around here. You can see the market was ranging within this region and this region. Here was a resistance zone in the past, and of course this is also a support zone. Okay, and of course it has been ranging around there. You are only waiting for the breakout to go above it or probably below this support zone. Okay, and but this is at the resistance zone already, so we are most likely to have a breakout below it, but that does not give us an assurance that that is what is going to happen, guys. Okay, so it can also go if the pressure if the buying pressure is too much, okay, on the market at that point, then definitely it can still push it up above it. That does not mean the market or the resistance was not respected. It was respected, just that there was a breakout. That was why it went above it. Okay, right here it got broken around there. Allow the candle to close. Okay, once it's closed, then you can come in around there. So this should be your entry point. Okay, right here should be your entry point. So I'm going to highlight that so that you get to see it. Okay, right here should be your entry point. You can imagine if you had entered around there and you keep on trading or selling right from here to here, okay, that's a lot of profit for you. Okay, that's going to be a lot of profit for you. Here is a support zone, so if you are taking your profit somewhere here, okay, that will give you a lot of profit right from there. Okay, you can see selling right from here to here. This is 4-hour time frame, and you can imagine this was selling for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That is 7 candles, guys. 7 times 4, okay, that is about 28. Okay, that is about 28 hours. Okay, 7 times 4 should give us 28, right? Okay, so that means sorry about that, it's about 28 hours, which is more than a day, guys. This is trading for more than a day, so you can easily highlight some crucial spots like this and use it to milk the market successfully. So let's look at more. Okay, you can see more right from here. You can see it right from here. Let me pick up another trend line. Okay, you can see this. Here is another one. Once it breaks out above it, you can always go in and trade. You can see you can trade for a very long time. This has to do with buying. Okay, you buy for a very long time. If you miss that, you can also try out this. Okay, let me pick it up and try out this. Here is another one, and of course you can come in after this and buy till it gets to this region. Okay, you can also sell right from here. Okay, let's see this, guys. You can also you can just pick keep on highlighting those specific areas, okay, and start selling. Okay, you can see you can sell right from there. Once it breaks out below it and close the candle, you come in and sell. Okay, you can sell right from there. Now let's look at the current chart. Let's look at the current chart. Let's see what is happening with the current chart. Okay, that is how you can always do your analysis. You can see right from here we are trying to trade the breakout or the bounce back. Okay, that is what we're trying to do. Okay, here is a support zone. It was unable to break out below it. If it had broken out below it, then definitely it would have keep on selling right from there and probably sell till it gets to this region, but it didn't break out below it, and of course this went back, that is, it bounced back. Okay, it bounced back right from there, and of course it started buying. So you could have come in after the bounce back so that you can buy to a certain level. Now let's see when it's going to sell, guys. Let's see when it's going to sell so that we will understand how it works. Okay, so here is a resistance zone. Okay, it's right here. So if it's not breaking out from here, then definitely it will start selling right from there, and it can sell till it get to this region. Remember, this is 4-hour time frame, but if it breaks out above it, we should be looking at here or probably here before we can say it will stop buying, or probably to break out again. Okay, so all these are very important. So once you are able to identify your support, your resistance zone, your breakout zones, then definitely you will be able to milk the market successfully for yourself. You can do your analysis on higher time frame like this and go down to lower time frame. You can also do it on H1, or probably you can check it out on H4 like this. Then you can now go back to 5-minute time frame and to just spot out the highlighted areas and see how far you can go with these. Okay, but if you don't know how to identify some of these places, okay, then you can also get some custom made indicators that can help you to do some of these. Okay, so one of the good custom made indicators which I've been using for the past few weeks now is this particular one. Okay, you can see it right from here. Right from here you can see it gives us the exact details of what we need to do when the market is on uptrend, when it is on, okay, let me take it to H4 so that you get to see it. And of course, let me zoom it in a bit. Okay, so you know when the market is on downtrend, you know when it is on uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, then you can always milk the market successfully, just the way I have explained to you earlier on the other chart. Okay, this is still the same chart we're looking at. It all depends on how you are able to perfect your trading skill, okay, or probably how you want to go with your learning curve. Okay, this will help you to milk the market successfully. So this can also ease all the pains, the tension, and whatever right there, okay, within the learning curve. Okay, so if you want to get started immediately, this can help you to fast track the whole process, but you still need to understand how the trading tool works. Okay, so once you understand it, then you will be able to milk the market successfully with it. This is 3M Train Milker Trading Indicator. It is a custom made indicator. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me, or you drop your question in the comment section. I'll always be there to reply you. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.